Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to Peak State Mathematics, and vertical angles is the topic today. You got to remember your vocabulary. What is a vertical angle? Well, vertical angles are those two that are directly across from each other. Anytime you have two intersecting lines, in this case, it's kind of that left and right is the ones we're looking at. And the important thing to remember is that vertical angles are congruent. Yes, that means that they are the exact same angle measurement. So substitute these in, solve. That means we can say that 8x plus 7 is equal to 5x plus 28, and we'll solve for x here. So get your variables on the same side. 3x plus 7 equals 28. Isolate your variable. 3x will be equal to 21. And get the coefficient to 1. X is equal to 7. That's all there is to it. Now, try two more on your own. Pause, play, go, repeat if you need to. Get in peak state and learn. Here we go. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.